Welcome to Google Cloud Cortex framework with Conversational Analytics concept demo. Conversational Analytics is revolutionizing how business users interact with enterprise and operational data. It's a great extension of BI tools like Looker, empowering business users to make better data-driven decisions. This demonstration utilized data processed, structured, and stored in Google Cloud BigQuery by the Cortex framework and manufacturing data engine. The Cortex framework simplifies connectivity to third-party enterprise applications like SAP, Ariba, Oracle, Salesforce, ServiceNow, and provides curated data models and data products. The analytical workload-optimized Cortex framework data models in BigQuery enables you to analyze your data at scale. It allows you as well to use the data for machine learning training purposes with the ease of accessing the data in BigQuery and without impacting the performance of source applications. The ERP models can be very complex. This diagram showcases the complexity of the row and reporting layer for SAP. Take a look at the amount of columns you can work with. Now, let's explore the scenario about Bike Factory, demonstrating how natural language queries can be used with the Cortex framework and manufacturing data engine. The analysis begins with Salesforce customer cases, followed by examination of MDE-provided production orders and material assignments for issue-affected bikes. Next, the focus shifts to key performance indicators of vendors derived from SAP ERP data. Finally, SAP Ariba records are retrieved to assess potential procurement risk from suppliers. We will close the demo looking at the master data record. Let's start with a question on Salesforce Service Cloud records. Customer cases from the last 2 weeks broken down by defective components. During this interaction, a conversational analytics interprets and translates user intention into queries, which are then executed in real time against the Cortex framework data warehouse. The creation of valid SQL, fetching, validating, and visualizing the data takes a couple of seconds. Beginning with the next processing, we will fast forward the waiting times. A summary reveals an increased number of issues with pedals in recent days, which are then visualized in the diagram. Let's now take a deeper look at the cases and broken components. The questions we are asking here requires join between customer cases and manufacturing OT data production orders, using the bike serial number. And here we see the join in the SQL query executed within BigQuery. Considering that multiple suppliers deliver pedals to the production line, we are asking for information broken down by suppliers to identify supplier-associated material issues. This signal could be leading to a collaboration on resolving quality issue with the supplier, but also to the decision of immediate freeze of warehouse stock for the supplier. To prevent production disruptions, other suppliers are then evaluated to identify the reliable, low-risk temporary replacement. The computed metrics are based on current SAP records, providing precise scores for on-time delivery, in-full delivery, rejection rate, and invoice accuracy. We see here also an overall performance score, which is a combined metrics. Subsequently, we will now access supply risk using the data from SAP Ariba. While ERP-based delivery metrics are crucial, minimizing the risk in supply chain decisions is also very important. A high-level overview of financial issues prompts a deeper dive into detailed Ariba records. Let's take a look at the records. The assessed risks appear reasonable, so we will compare them and try to find another supplier with lower risk. Comparing risk with the third provider supports us in making informed decisions. Let's continue by querying the number of pedals required for weekly production, as one of the important data points needed during ordering the replacements. The weekly demand is leveraging BigQuery's access to OT data like material assignments and production orders. The final step involves retrieving the master data record for tonned works. Summarizing. Conversational analytics is redefining the way business users are interacting with their enterprise and operational data. The comprehensive data models of Google Cloud Cortex framework for SAP, Salesforce, Oracle, and many more provides invaluable data warehouse foundation that accelerates data-driven decision-making. The ability to interact naturally with de-siloed data, spanning application boundaries, is transforming the business operations. Start your business transformation now. Learn more how to implement Google Cloud Cortex framework, manufacturing data engine, and conversational analytics at cloud.google.com.